This month's BeautyFix is worth over $190, you guys. I have got a great feeling about this month's subscription. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. We do lots of unboxings over here, and today's unboxing is one of my personal favorites. Dermstore just has a special place in my heart. It's usually a really solid box. And I say usually because, like any other subscription, there are off months with this box. But for the most part, their boxes kill it every single month. You receive a variety of beauty products inside. It's always worth the money that I've spent on it, and like 4 times then some. But then additionally, their customer service has always been great for me. They ship their boxes out on time as well. So I just don't have issues with this subscription, and that's why I always love it. So very excited this month, not only because my BeautyFix is here, but because I read online that it's worth $190. I was like, well, dang, this is gonna be a great month. So if you've not seen this subscription box before, you're gonna love it. I'll just preface it that way. But this is all presented by Dermstore. So Dermstore is an online website where you can shop anything beauty on there. It's a massive website. And what's nice is that they have very competitive deals and sales compared to like Sephora and Ulta. Essentially, they're the exact same category. So if Sephora has a sale, I always run over and check Dermstore because they usually have a sale too. And sometimes they match it, sometimes they're better. I mean, it's just worth looking into, just as a little insider tip. But outside of that, Dermstore then creates a monthly subscription box called BeautyFix. So every month they will curate a box using products that they sell on their website. So if there's a brand or product on there that you love, there's always a possibility that it will be in the BeautyFix box someday. We have seen so many great, amazing brands though through this box that I can't find in other subscription boxes out there. So even if you already subscribe to, BoxyCharm and Allure, you could definitely buy this box and receive different items. You're not going to see the duplicate products. You don't have to have multiple subscriptions. I'm just saying if you're interested, don't worry, this one does not send the same products as everybody else. So this box is my April 2025 box that we're gonna open up today. This will feature a variety of full-size and travel-sized items inside of it. They do not guarantee how many you'll receive of each. It's always random. All you know with this box is you will have beauty products in it. Now, if you're interested in signing up for this subscription, this is one of the few subscriptions where I recommend you purchase more than one box at a time, and there is a reason for that. It's a huge savings. So down below, I'm going to be posting the link and you can go there to sign up for the subscription. You can pay month to month with this box if you would like to. It retails for $24.95 a month, but there is a shipping fee on top of that if you pay every single month. And I think the shipping fee is like $7 or $8 for it. It's pretty hefty. However, if you notice right below the price points, there's going to be a button that says pay up front and then one that says pay monthly. You want to click the button that says pay up front, and it will change and say 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months. And this is my advice. Choose one of those plans, because if you pay up front for the 3-month plan, it will come out to about $60 and you receive free shipping on all 3 of those boxes. So not only are you going to save the money every month, because you're going to pay about $20 a month with this plan versus $25 if you pay every month, but you also get the free shipping on it as well. So that's my recommendation. I am going to be posting a discount code down below that will save you 15% off of your order. You can use that on the subscription plans as well. I know online it technically says you can't, but trust me, I just tried it and it does still work. So you can throw that code on there and save a little bit of extra as well. But then that code works on everything on the Dermstore website. So if you ever are shopping, you want to compare prices from Sephora to Dermstore, you want a little extra savings, just throw my code on. It'll save you 15% too. So this is what my April box looks like. Oh, there's Holy Frog. Well, now I know why this is expensive. Looking at these brands in here, I definitely know why this is pricey this month. So if you sign up here in the month of April, this is the exact box that you're going to receive. There are no customization options with this subscription. We all receive the exact same thing. So I'm going to show you the April box. If you love it, sign up in April. You'll get the same one as me then. So our first item that we're going to start with is Holy Frog. This is their Amino Hydrating Milky Cleanser. Full-size product, 5.1 ounces is what we have here. So this is a great skincare company, and this one is designed to not only cleanse, remove dirt and makeup, you know, your traditional cleanser, but it's also going to balance your pH levels. And it says that this is going to be safe for sensitive skin, but it's also going to give nutrients and peptides back to your skin while you're cleansing. So it's not going to strip it at all. Actually, it's going to do the opposite and nourish your skin while using their product. So this is what it will look like outside of the box. I mean, there's a lot here. Truthfully, this will last me a while. I always feel like I don't need much with cleansers. I don't know about you guys, but whenever I put some on, it's like, I don't know, maybe smaller than a quarter even. I don't use a whole lot. So seeing this large of a jar, I'm like, this is gonna last me months. There are 14 amino acids blended into this product. There's also water lily extract as well. And it says basically, this is a comforting blanket that meets a comforting cleanser inside of this bottle. Now, one of the new things that Dermstore just started doing is online on the website, they're going to tell you what products are full size or travel size, but they're also including prices now for each of these items as well. So it's not included in your box. You do have to go to their website to check it out. But on this Holy Frog product, full-size item, it's $35 if you wanted to go online and purchase it. So keep that in mind. I spent $20 on this box, and I just got a $35 product. We also have Jane Iredale inside of our April box. This is the Glow Time Blush Stick. So this is a cream stick that you will be able to blend out. It is a full-size product, and then Jane Iredale products are also all cruelty-free. She also has a lot of natural ingredients. I feel like this brand falls into the clean beauty lineup as well. They have skincare, but they also have makeup products. So all of their products have really nice, clean ingredients in them. So if you are looking for a brand that is really good, I do recommend this one. So this says that it's a multitasking blush stick to reveal your inner glow. You can blend this as a contour. You can do just a little bit on your cheeks, but it is vegan. It's safe for sensitive skin. Oh, and the shade is Glorious for this one. So here's what that color looks like. It's really pretty. So there is a shimmer. You can tell there's a little bit of a golden shimmer, but also I feel like there's like a hint of red. So it does give you like a blush look. I was nervous at first that this was more like a highlighter stick because it looks really dark, right? And I was like, oh, it's more of like a champagne, that golden glow color. But truthfully, there's definitely a red hue to this. So I do see why they called this a blush stick because you've got a little bit of that blush color, but very pretty. Now, like I mentioned, it is a full-size product, and if you went onto the Dermstore website to purchase this product, this actually costs more than Holy Frog does, which I'm kind of surprised by. So this is $40 if you wanted to purchase it online. I had no idea that it cost that much, you guys. Well, see, even better, because I don't know that I would spend $40 on that stick, but having it in my box where I only paid $20, well, yeah, absolutely, I'll take it then. So even better. Now, the next item that we have in here is this blue product. This is from R&Co. It is their dry shampoo. So it's a part of their blue line, which I feel like is fairly obvious given the packaging. It is cruelty-free. It's also going to be Leaping Bunny certified, gluten-free, and vegan. What is our size on here, though? How much do we have? Because I don't know. It doesn't say anywhere. Well, good thing it's on the website. So this is a deluxe travel size. It is 1.2 ounces, and it retails for $11 if you purchase this exact size. Obviously, the full size would cost a little bit more, but this dry shampoo will breathe new life into blowouts and boost volume. It also will help to absorb oil and impurities from the scalp. This is a blend of translucent, finely milled powders that will leave your hair bouncy, shiny, and brushable afterwards. So that's interesting. So apparently it's a powder blend, but it still is going to spritz like a regular aerosol. So it looks the same, but apparently the blend is different. Is it just me, or is this brand showing up everywhere right now in boxes? I saw this brand originally in FabFitFun, and then ever since then, it's just like it keeps appearing. So it's One Love Organics. This is their eye serum that will give you radiant and brighter eyes. 8 ml of product. I think this is gonna be a full-size product. For an eye care product, it seems like the right size. It still mentions that it is cruelty-free. It's 100% natural origin as well. This is actually a very clean beauty box this month. It's not always like this, but this month, everything this month is clean beauty products. So this is what it looks like here outside of the box. It is a glass jar, so it is a little bit heavy. And then 8 ml, yeah, I would bet money this is a full-size product. So this serum, yes, $39 is what it would cost to purchase this. This is a cooling antioxidant rich rollerball serum that reduces puffiness and perks up tired under eyes. This also pairs really well with makeup, they mentioned, so if you want to put this even over top of makeup, it apparently will work fine. So there is your rollerball. I don't really smell anything either. I didn't know if maybe there would be a scent since it is natural ingredients, but I don't get anything out of this. Last item then today is from BioTFX. This is their famous serum, you guys. It's not cheap either. Even this small size that we have here, not a cheap product. So this is an age-defying serum that reduces the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. It also will improve your skin's elasticity and firmness and bounce and just all of it. It does the whole thing. It just makes you look younger, which is quite literally why they call it the age-defying serum. And one of their star ingredients, I always point this out, so I feel like I've already told you guys this, but maybe you've not heard me say it, but their star ingredient is they use water from Iceland, and they state that having that pure Icelandic water inside of this is one of the reasons why it's so much better than the other serums out there. Now, this size that we have is 5 ml. So like I said, here's your box. I mean, it literally sits in this little corner. That's how small this is. But if you were to purchase this exact size online, it's $65. This is the most expensive item in the box today. And I will say, people buy this all the time. I see the most amazing reviews on it. So I feel like it must be delivering results for those price tags and the fact that people keep buying it. So I love when we get it in subscription boxes because I don't want to spend $65 on this, but you know, I would like to at least be able to try it out and have the option. So that is everything inside of our April BeautyFix box. Holy bananas, this is a good month, you guys. So first off, like I said, I pay $20 a month for this box because I do prepay ahead for multiple boxes. So $20 for 5 products. And of the 5 products, we had, what, 3 full-size items? Yeah. 3 full-size products in here. I mean, you can't get that from any other subscription box out there on the market right now. But then on top of it, to have such great brands for $20, I mean, it's just a no-brainer in my opinion. Like, this is one of those moments where it is so obvious that you have great brands, great skincare at a very affordable price point. So I love this month's box. I have nothing but high praises for this month's box. So if you want this exact box that I just showed you guys today, I will post that link down below for you. And then I've also got my coupon code so you can save some money. But like I said, I would encourage you to pay for multiple months at one time just because it saves you the shipping fee. And I mean, seriously, think about paying $7 a month for 3 months. That's the price of one box. You might as well just roll that into a 3-month plan. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!